So this is a 2018 Valtra N174 V. So it's 4-cylinder, 174 horsepower with a 50k semi-power shift gearbox. It's very highly spec'd, comes with front linkage, front PTO, one front spool, and it's got external front linkage and spool control and a front light socket. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle. Front bodywork and grille's in really good condition all round. It's got pivoting front mudguards, which are in good condition. The front tyres are both Mitas 540/65 R28. That's 70% tread with no large cuts or bulges. It's got halogen front work lights, diesel and air blue, cab glass immaculate all round, split mirrors, rear tyres, both sides are Mitas 650/65 R38, again about 70-80% tread with no large cuts or bulges. Got halogen rear work lights, Cat 3 rear linkage, the manual top link, 4 rear spools with a low flow, hydraulic and air brakes, an isobus and a case drain, very little wear on the trailer hook and the clever straw bar. Then on both the left and the right hand side fenders you've got external PTO, linkage and spool control. Rear right hand tyre also 70-80% tread, no cuts or bulges. There's quite a few scratches on this rear right hand mudguard and by the right hand side external controls. There's twin beacon. It's got a right hand side window wiper, which is an optional extra. Exhaust stack's in good condition, showing no signs of rust or dents. The front right hand tyre, also no large cuts or bulges. So in the cab of this N series, all the cab trim and plastic is in really good condition. No large cuts or scratches anywhere. It's got a folding passenger seat, has a Grammer air suspended driver's seat, air conditioning, rear wiper controls. It's got an optional fridge unit. It has the Valtra smart touch screen, all electronic spools, and it has done 3,311 hours. It starts and runs really well. So this N series is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.